So next problem, third problem, find the Newton's method. The real root of the equation 3x is equal to, find the common to the Newton's method. The real root of the equation 3x is equal to cos x plus 1. Given that 3x is equal to cos x plus 1, given that 3x is equal to cos x plus 1 and then 3x minus cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. Let f of x is equal to 3x minus cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. So f of 0, put here 0 and then 0 minus cos 0 into 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. And f of 1, put x is equal to 1, 3 minus cos 1 minus 1. This value is 1.4597. The value is already calculated. How to find this value? So let a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. The root lies between a and b. The initial approximation is x naught is equal to a plus b by 2 and then 0 plus 1 by 2 and a 0.5. And f of x is equal to 3x minus cos x minus 1. Differentiate with respect to x and f dash of x equal to 3 into x differentiation 1 minus cos x differentiation minus sin x minus 1 differentiation 0. Finally 3 minus into minus plus sin x. This is f dash of x. By Newton-Raphson method, the next approximation is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn. And xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus, what is f of xn? F of x means 3x minus cos x minus 1. F of xn means 3xn minus cos xn minus 1 divided by f dash of xn means 3 minus sin xn. So put n is equal to 0 in this equation. We have x1 is equal to x naught minus 3 x naught minus cos x naught minus 1 by 3 plus sin x naught, and put n is equal to 1 in this equation. We get that x2 is equal to x1 minus 3x1 minus cos x1 minus 1 by 3 plus sin x1, and similarly we get that x3 also. So we have to find these values. First take this equation. X naught means x minus 3x minus cos x minus 1 by 3 plus sin x. So first we put x in this equation. So x minus, for entire fraction take open bracket, and for the numerator take open bracket, 3x minus cos x, 3x minus cos x minus 1, close the bracket for numerator, close the bracket for numerator, divided by, and open the bracket for denominator, 3 plus sin x, 3 plus sin x, 3 plus sin x, and bracket close for the denominator, and close the bracket for the denominator, and close the bracket for entire fraction, CLC. What is the initial approximation? What is the initial approximation? X naught is equal to 0.5. X naught is equal to 0.5. We get that x1 is equal to 0.60852. 60852. 0.60852. The next approximation, put x1 in this equation. Put x1 in this, and the same entire equation. Same procedure. CLC. What is the CLC? This is CLC. What is x1? 0.60852. 0.60852. That is CLC 0.60852. The value is 0.60710. 60710. 0.60710. The next approximation is, and you can calculate the next approximation is, and CLC 0.60852. 60710. That is 0.60710. Same value వచ్చింది 0.60710. Both are same. ఇక్కడ యాక్చువల్లీ 2 decimals సేమ్ వచ్చినాయి అండ్ ఇక్కడ 3 decimals and 4 decimals సేమ్ వచ్చేసి 4 decimals సేమ్ వచ్చాయి. So the approximate root of the given equation is 0.60710. That's all. Okay, fourth problem. Find Newton method. The real root of the equation x log x base 10 equal to 1.2 cut to 3 decimal places. So given that x log x base 10 is equal to 1.2 left side this was the x log x base 10 minus 1.2 is equal to 0. Let f of x is equal to x log x base 10 minus 1.2. So f of 0 is equal to, put x is equal to 0 here, what term is 0 minus 1.2. f of 1 is equal to log 1 base 10 is 0, so minus 1.2. f of 2 is equal to minus 0.59. We calculate calcio, you can find the calcio. You can find f of 2 value in the calcio. So we get that minus 0.59 which is less than 0. And f of 3 is equal to 0.23136 which is greater than 0. So f of 2 and f of 3 have opposite signs. The root lies between 2 and 3. Let a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. The root lies between a and b. The initial approximation x naught is equal to a plus b by 2. And a 2 plus 3 by 2 that is 2.5. And f of x is equal to x log x base 10 minus 1.2. First we can find f test of x. So this is UV form. This is u and this is v. First x nest is going to x log x base 10 differentiation చేయండి. మీకు x log x base 10 differentiation లేదు మీకు have. So only మీకు x log x base కి differentiation ఉంది. Log x base 10 differentiation లేదు. So log x base 10 can be written as log x base c into log e base 10. And differentiate this function log x base 10, differentiation of log x base 10 equal to, what is the differentiation of log x base e? That is 1 by x into log e base 10 is constant. You can write here x is same 1 by x into log e base 10 plus once again log x base 10 is constant, x differentiation 1, so x is cancelled, log e base 10 plus log x base 10 and log a plus log b can be written as log ab. We know that log a plus log b is equal to log ab and log ex base 10, log ex base 10. So by Newton-Raphson method the next approximation is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn, and xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus, what is f of xn? X log x base 10 minus 1.2 and xn log xn base 10 minus 1.2 divided by, what is f dash of xn? Log exn base 10. That we can write here. So put n is equal to 0 in this equation, we get that x1 is equal to x naught minus x naught log x naught base 10 minus 1.2 by e log e x naught base 10. We calculate the value, this value in using calculation, and also x2 is equal to, put n is equal to 1 in this equation, x1 minus x1 log x1 base 10 minus 1.2 by log e x1 base 10, and similarly x3 and so on. Okay, so what are the values using calculation? First substitute this equation in this calculator. So that is first x not recognized in the calculation. Okay, what is x? X minus, for fraction bracket open, for numerator bracket open, x log xn base 10, x base 10 की LOG click చేయాలి, log x base 10 minus 1.2, for numerator bracket is closed, divided by, open the denominator bracket, log అంటే LOG e, what is e? షిఫ్ట్ క్లిక్ చేసి అలా క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఈ వస్తుంది, x log ex base 10 That's all. Bracket close. Log ex based on bracket close. And the entire new fraction bracket is also closed. CLC. First approximation x naught is equal to 0. No. First what is the first approximation? 2.5. That is 2.5. So 2.68895. 2.68895. 2.68895. The next approximation x2. The next approximation x2, substitute this equation, and CLC 2.68895 is equal to 2.72738. 2.72738. And the next approximation using the calcium, that is CLC 2.72738, that is equal to 2.73714. 2.73714. Next x4 is equal to x4 and x3 minus x3 log x3 base 10 minus 1.2 divided by log ex3 base 10, which is equal to, using calculation, CLC 2.73714. This value is 2.73971. 2.73 is 2.73971. 2 decimals వచ్చింది మనకు అప్ టు 3 decimals అన్నారు కాబట్టి ఇంకో స్టెప్ అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇంకో స్టెప్ మీన్స్ x5 is equal to x4 minus x4 log x4 base 10 minus 1.2 divided by log ex4 base 10, which is equal to CLC 2.73971. This value is 2.74040. 2.73971. This is 2.74040. The next approximation x5. Sorry, this is x5. The next approximation x6. We can calculate x6 is equal to 2.74040. 2.74058. 2.74058 వచ్చింది. సేమ్ ఆ స్టెప్ మళ్ళీ వేయండి. ఫార్ములా మీరు రాయండి. స్పేస్ లేక రాయలేదు. 2. అగైన్ మళ్ళీ క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తే 2.74058 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే సేమే వచ్చింది. 2.74063 వస్తుంది. సారీ ప్రాబ్లం. ద అప్రాక్సిమేట్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ది గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈజ్ 2.74058. 2.74058. That's all. Okay, next problem, fifth problem. Find the real root of the equation. Real root of the equation cos x is equal to x e power x using Newton's method. Cos x is equal to x e power x. So, given that cos x is equal to x e power x, x e power x in left side because the cos x minus x e power x is equal to 0, and f of x is equal to cos x minus x e power x. First put x is equal to 0, cos 0 1, 0 into e power 0, that is also 0, and totally 1, this is greater than 0. Put x is equal to 1, cos 1 minus 1 into e power 1, that is minus 2.17798, which is less than 0. Let a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0, and f of 0 and f of 1 have opposite signs, then the root lies between and 0 and 1. You can write here a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1, the root lies between a and b. The initial approximation x naught is equal to a plus b by 2. What is a? 0 plus 1 by 2, that is 0.5. And f of x is equal to cos x minus x e power x, differentiate with respect to x, this function, and f dash of x is equal to the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. You can apply the UV formula for x e power x. What is the UV formula? Differentiation of UV is equal to VDU plus UD. And this implies x has to be e power x differentiation e power x plus e power x has to be x differentiation 1. Finally, it can be written as minus sin x minus x e power x minus e power x. That is f dash of x. By Newton-Raphson method, the next approximation is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn. And xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus, what is f of x? F of x means cos x minus x e power x. And f of xn means cos xn minus xn into d power xn divided by f dash of xn. What is f dash of x? F dash of x means minus sin x minus x e power x minus e power x. Minus sin xn minus xn into e power xn minus e power xn. So, we have to find first approximation x1. Put n is equal to 0 in this equation, we get that x1 is equal to x naught minus cos x naught minus x e power x naught divided by minus sin x naught minus x naught into e power x naught minus e power x naught. Put x naught is equal to 0.5 in this equation, we get x1 value. So, first type this equation. What is the equation? X naught minus cos x naught this is first x minus, for fraction bracket is open, for numerator bracket is open, cos x minus x e power x minus x e అంటే షిఫ్ట్ నొక్కి ln క్లిక్ చేయండి. ప్రెస్ షిఫ్ట్ అండ్ ln x e power x x e power x bracket close for the numerator and divided by, again open the bracket for denominator. What is the denominator? Minus sin x minus sin x minus x e power 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 x minus, again minus e power x. Bracket close for the denominator and bracket close for the entire fraction. CLC. Put x naught is equal to 0.5. The value is 0.51803. This value is 0.51803. This is 0.51803. And we want x2. And x2 means put n is equal to 1 in this equation. x2 is equal to x1 minus cos x1 minus x1 e power x1 divided by minus sin x1 minus x1 e power x1 minus e power x1. Put x1 is equal to 0.51803 in this equation. Say, you type the same equation. CLC, type CLC. Same, this is CALC. Okay, clear? What is the x value? 0.51803. 0.51803. That is 0.51776. 0.51776. 0.51776. And next we can find the next approximation x3. I mean, put n is equal to 2 in this equation, we get that x3 is equal to x2 minus cos x2 minus x2 into e power x2 divided by minus sin x2 minus x2 into e power x2 minus e power x2. Same, substitute x1 is equal to minus 0.51776. We get that CLC 0.51776. Same, we get the same value 0.51776. Same value 0.51776. Therefore, the approximate root of the given equation is 0.51776. 0.51776. 0.51776. This is also one of the most important problem. Next, problem number 6. Next problem, sixth problem. Find the real root of the equation x tan x plus 1 is equal to 0, which is near to x is equal to pi. Which is near to x is equal to pi. And the initial point in this problem, initial point is given. So given that the equation is x tan x plus 1 is equal to 0, let it is as f of x tan x plus 1. And we don't need find f of 0, f of 1, no need, because the initial root x naught is equal to pi. Let x naught is equal to pi. Pi means 3.14 something. So f dash of x, differentiate with respect to x, and UV formula, can apply the UV formula. X tan x differentiation secant square x plus tan x into x differentiation 1 plus 1 differentiation 0. So secant square x can be written as 1 plus tan square x, because secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. You can write it plus tan x. So let x naught is equal to pi, that is 3.14. By Newton-Raphson method, the next approximation is xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn. And xn plus 1 is equal to xn minus, what is f of x? This is f of x. xn tan xn plus 1 divided by, what is f dash of xn? xn 1 plus tan square xn plus tan xn. Plus tan xn. So put n is equal to 0 in this equation, we get that x1 is equal to x naught minus x naught into tan x naught plus 1 divided by x naught into 1 plus tan square x naught plus tan x naught. Similarly, put n is equal to 1 in this equation, we get that x2, and put n is equal to 2 in this equation, we get x3. So how to find the values? First type the equation, this equation. First press x, that means all pi x. First you can press all pi x. First on the mission, all pi x minus, open the bracket for the fraction, and next open the bracket for the numerator. What is numerator? X tan x tan x plus 1. Close the bracket for numerator, and divided by, open the bracket for denominator. What is denominator? X. Again some function is there. What is that? 1 plus tan square x. Again open the bracket, 1 plus tan square. First you can write tan square x. Okay, clear? Bracket close, plus again tan x, again bracket close for the denominator and bracket close for the fraction. That is equation calcium. Put x is equal to 3.14. So once again I explained how to express the equation. That is x first, alpha x minus bracket open for numerator and fraction bracket open for numerator, x tan x plus 1, x tan x plus 1 tan x పడలేదండి, ఒకసారి చూడండి. ఒకసారి x tan x plus 1 bracket close for numerator divided by bracket open for denominator, and x again bracket open for 1 plus tan square x, open 1 plus tan square x అంటే tan x ను బ్రాకెట్లో పెట్టి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ కొట్టాలండి. వన్స్ అగైన్ అంటే tan x కి బ్రాకెట్ ఓపెన్ చేయాలి. మరలా ఓపెన్ ద బ్రాకెట్ ఫర్ tan x and bracket close, that is tan x square. 1 plus tan x square అంటే 1 plus tan square x bracket close for 1 plus tan square x plus tan x, bracket close for denominator and bracket close for entire fraction. CLC, put x is equal to pi. First in value x is equal to pi. Pi means put here pi. So shift pi is equal to, that is 2.82328. This value is, first approximation is 2.82328. The next approximation, put x in this calculation. Okay, clear? CLC 2.82328. That is 2.79840. 2.79840. This is 2.79840. 2.79840. And the next approximation, same procedure. CLC, x value 2.79840. 2.79839. 2.79839. 3 decimals equal వచ్చింది సరిపోతుంది. ద నెక్స్ట్ అప్రాక్సిమేషన్ క్యాల్కులేట్ చేసిన కూడా అదే వస్తుంది, కావాలంటే చెక్ చేసుకోండి. క్యాల్కులేషన్లో మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ కొట్టడమే కాబట్టి పెద్ద పని ఏం కాదు ఇది. సిఎల్సి 2.79839 క్లిక్ చేస్తే 2.79839 సేమ్ వాల్యూ వచ్చింది. సో ద అప్రాక్సిమేషన్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ది గివెన్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఈజ్ 2.79839. Approximate root of the given equation is 2.79839. That's all. Okay. Problem number 6 will be complete. Next problem number 7. So e power x is equal to x square plus cos 25x, which is near to x is equal to 4.5. This is the initial root ichchesaru. The initial root is given, x naught is given. Process this common. X e power x minus x is equal to 0. X e power x minus 2 equal to 0. And initial root కూడా calculate చేయాలి. X square plus 4 sin x is equal to 0 and x log x base 10 is equal to 12.34. X plus log x base 10 is equal to 3.375. X plus log x base 10 is equal to 2 and 2x minus log x base 10 minus 7 is equal to 0. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీరు కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. ఇప్పుడు దీస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎనీ డౌట్ కాల్ టు మీ. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకా ఉన్నాయి న్యూటన్ రాప్సన్ మెథడ్లో సమ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇదే. ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ నెక్స్ట్